Hello everyone. Today in video I am going to show you how to create videos like this with simple ChatGPT prompts. So these are the most trending videos nowadays and getting millions of views. Okay, let's proceed to the work. We'll go to this GPT Tiny Task Force and we will select one of these pre-created conversation starters. So let's start with this one. This will give a short prompt with image. By generating these, it increases the perfection preciseness of the image. That's why first of all it generate complete prompt, then it create image. So we have final image which is perfect, and now we will go to Sora. We will insert our image here, upload from device, this one, and we will simple give prompt convert this into video. It is added to the queue. I'll get back once it's generated. Okay, so our video is ready and here are the results. This is the first image model and this is pretty good, but second image is not what we need. Let's check out this one, and this is perfect. So this is how you can create a perfect video like this, and these type of videos are getting millions and millions of views. Thank you so much.